So we came to where they are making manu. Come and see how they are producing fresh palm oil.
So these are the barks of the palm fruit.
The fresh one, eh?
The fresh ones. You know?
Yeah. I see it. This is the red palm fruit. Many pots here. They are cooking it. This is not industrial, this is handwork, hard work. All these palm fruits will turn into fresh palm oil.
After people will not compress it for the oil to come out. Okay. Where? Can you press here? Can you press here now? Money you put up. And it's about now. The oil will be coming out and you'll do something here for the oil. You know? Yeah, they flow out. And then afterwards they take that oil, they go and cook it.
Again?
Yeah. Once they're cooking it, then the main palm oil will be coming out. You'll be filtering it because it has this thick and the light. Yeah. So the light one will be on top, which is the palm oil. Okay. And now they'll be filtering it, you know. They cook and filter until the oil comes low. That's when they remove this and they bring it here. Once it dries, this woman is filtering it, you know.
Okay, this is after the cooking. This is what it looks like when you have pressed out the whole oil.
Exactly, yeah. You know, so she's filtering it there. See, she's taking out the kernel. That's for another process, you know, for this palm kernel. Okay. You know, and then those hair, you use it also for fire. Yes. That's what we call uri. You know, you use stick, then you exactly. Which we use it for light in the night.
Like torch, I mean.
No, it's like torch, but it's fire.
Okay, because it stays on long.
Yeah. So you put it with a stick, and then I'll show it to you in market. Okay, they sell it also.
Okay.
They sell it, you know. After doing it, then you put it on zinc to dry. You can use it anytime. It doesn't spoil. 100 years. Anytime you need light, take matches, you light it on.
Okay, like fackel, I think is in German, no?
Exactly.
They also make oil from it, no?
Also from the kernel, but not them. Oh no, they may back. That's the red oil.
But they can sell this later.
They sell it.
So they can sell it.
Oh my. See the kernel. From there you can make oil also.
Okay.
Oil. Without we call it without. Well, let me kernel oil. And you can also chew it also.
Really? It's like nuts.
It's like coconut. Yes, this is our industry here, you know. Umuona.
Ọgaranya mama n'Ogwumpa Ugo Chris Odogwu Akaji Abuna Nsukka
Odumeje dulu mujebe Eze bube dulu ne mujebe Odumeje dulu mujebe Eze bube dulu ne mujebe Odumeje dulu mujebe Eze bube dulu ne mujebe